Hi, my name is William Kethman. I'm a physician from Stanford University, founder of Novate Medical Technologies, and inventor of Infaclip. So Infaclip is an obstetric device designed to simultaneously clamp and then cut the umbilical cord after delivery. The device includes novel features designed to prevent reuse of the technology in multiple deliveries, as well as reduce unintended bloodborne pathogen exposure to healthcare workers. We developed this technology to address the nearly 1 million infants that die every year to infection-related causes. In Nepal, this amounts to 20 children every day. Our goal is to fundamentally change the standard of care of infants in the developing world by empowering healthcare workers through technology innovation. Thank you again.